Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. I am super excited. We are starting to have some May boxes roll in. I can't believe it's already May. My birthday is the 2nd, so yay, it's my birthday week. And I have the May 2019 Whole Sha Bang Box. It does have a sticker here that says box number 1, so I don't know if they have variations this month, but either way, I'm sure it will be an amazing box. For those of you that are not familiar with this box, it is a beauty box. Yeah, I mean, it's got a little bit of everything. I mean, they have had some amazing Victoria's Secret fragrances in here, like fragrance mists, just all kinds of stuff. You could have bath bombs, makeup. It's just a fantastic box. It literally is the whole shebang. So I love this box. It is always so much fun to unbox and to share with you guys. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. I do believe their pricing starts at $39.99 a month, but you can get a discount if you go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or even 12 months. So let's dive into the May 2019 Whole Shebang box. Don't forget, we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on. I will put a link for that down below as well. So if you have not entered that and you would like to, please head over and check that out. Also, don't forget to go ahead and hit subscribe if you are new. We'd love to have you. But let's get in here. All right. So we peel back. They've really started this like gorgeous tissue paper. So we peel all of that back. And this is what I'm seeing inside. So let's get to unboxing. All right, so the first thing I see here, it says new. It's yes to carrots, nutrition boosting for depleted skin, vitamin enriched kale DIY powder to clay mask. Say yes to saying more please to carrots and kale for the ultimate do-it-yourself skin nutrition boost. And this is 100% vegan. FYI, I'm a bowl too. Use the built-in spoon and lid. FYI, it's a bowl too. Add powder to line 1. Oh, okay. And water to line 2 to create a paste. Use the other side of the spoon to apply an even layer to the face, avoiding eye area, eyebrows, and hairline. Relax for 10 minutes, 20 for an even deeper treatment. Remove with a damp face cloth and then rinse with warm water. Okay, so that is neat. Okay, so it's a do-it-yourself mask. They give you the powder and you just mix it with water, but the lid is a bowl, and if you see right here, it does have line 1 and 2, and then there's the spoon. So that is really awesome. And I have never tried a mask with carrot and kale. So that should be interesting. So that is awesome. And yeah, it says this is a $9 value. All right, and let's see. Simplicity, create it yourself. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this you can take like a headband or a barrette, and you can attach this to give it some extra flair. So, you know, you can have like something fun happening. That is cute. It says this is $2.99 if I did not say that already. So that's fun. And I do know that this, I believe, is one of their Mother's Day boxes, so that may be why there is a variation. I do know if you order by May 7th that it will ship by May 7th and arrive in time for Mother's Day. So that is just a little information to put in the back of your mind. And then we have some wet wipes. It says hands and face, aloe vera. There's 25 of them. They are alcohol free, so that's awesome. So you can use these, you know, on your face. You can use them on your hands. I like keeping things like this in my purse because sometimes, you know, my 8-year-old son gets messy because he's a boy. So things like this are great for that. But also on a hot sunny day at the beach, this will be great to just wipe your face and refresh. So yay, I'm excited to have that as well. And then let's see. This says it's a little gift. This looks like a little kabuki brush. These are always fun. This feels really firm and dense. I like the way that feels. All right, so I see another Victoria's Secret fragrance mist. It's in a bag this time, which I actually really appreciate in case it were to leak. And this is Glitter Hustle. I have not gotten this one. This is $18. I have gotten one of these in this is the third one. So the last two boxes I've gotten one, and they have both smelled so good. So this says 24 karat caramel, vanilla kiss, and night fever. This is probably going to smell fabulous, and I'm probably going to love it. Y'all, this smells so amazing. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm gonna be smelling so fabulous, I'm telling you. This is fantastic. Yes, ma'am. I love that so much. Those Victoria's Secret body sprays to me just are amazing. That is probably my second favorite one I've received from them. The very first one I received is my favorite. I can't remember the name of it right now. Oh my gosh, but it smells so good. Like the best body spray fragrance mist ever. It is amazing. So I'm so happy to have another one to add to my collection. All right, and then we have from Clinique, this is a $19 value, a Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. Fragrance free, use under or over makeup or as a 5-minute mask. All right, so I love Clinique products, so I'm excited to have this. This is going to be a great moisturizer from what it sounds like, or as a mask. So multi-purpose, I love that. And then let's see, we have 2 more items left, and they kind of go together. So this is the NYX Machinist eyeshadow palette. It says $20. Packaging is really cool looking. All right, so let's take it out. I can see the colors on the back, and this looks actually really nice. Okay. So, all right, so I'm not sure if the Machinist, if they come in different, if they come in like, if they have different versions of the Machinist palette, because this says grind. Oh, I like these colors a lot. There's a good variety of shimmer mattes, but these colors are like right up my alley, y'all. They are so pretty. And these are colors, and there's a nice mirror here. I'm just keeping the film on it so it doesn't blind you. These are the type of colors to me that you can do looks in the spring and summer, but also transition very well to fall. So I am actually very happy to have this to add to my collection. That is so pretty. So pretty. So I am loving that. And this packaging is just, it's just fun. So yay for an eyeshadow palette. And then from the NYX Machinist, this is $10 value. This is one of their lipsticks. It says metallic bronze. And let me actually get my box cutter. This is taped right here on top. let me show you the outer packaging first. Turn it that way so you can read it. Okay, so I like the packaging a lot. I think it's just cool looking. All right, so this looks beautiful. It has some shimmer. Now this definitely to me would be more of a fall shade. I mean, you could pull it off, maybe with a lighter gloss on top. I am going to swatch this to see, because I can already tell you that come fall, I'm going to reach for this. This looks amazing. So there is the swatch, and of course I put it in like the most awkward position, but it like shifts in the color because of the sparkle. That is actually really, really pretty, and it has some like burgundy sparkle to it. I'm like trying to like contort my arm. But that is like so pretty, and I just love I love the way it shifts. So that is super, super pretty. So yay for a lipstick. So that was our May 2019 the Whole Sha Bang Box. Again, this is kind of like a Mother's Day edition, and like I said, you do have until May 7th to order to receive it in time for Mother's Day. Y'all, this is just such a great variety of products. This box yet again did not disappoint. I love this subscription, and I absolutely think it is amazing. And I mean, an eyeshadow palette, the Victoria's Secret spray, the lipstick, the Clinique facial moisturizer, the Yes To like DIY mask, the Kabuki brush. It's just such a variety of products, and I think it is amazing. So let me know what you think down below, and again, I will put that link down below as well if you would like to sign up. Don't forget, we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on. I do believe I mentioned earlier. That link will be below as well. Let me know your thoughts. Give the video a thumbs up. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you next time. Bye.